Hello, I'm in a 2015 GMC Acadia, and today I'm going to show you to lower and raise your seats. So for this row, you can just pull these levers, this one or here, and this will let it fall forward and get it as low as you need. And if you need to slide the seat forward or back, you can pull this. And then typically with two hands, you pull this up, and then the other hand, you'll pull this forward or back. And then you release this lever, it'll lock in place. And then for these rear seats, I may have to go from the trunk to show you, but we'll go that way. And then as for these middle rows, this other side works the same as this seat. So we'll open this trunk. And then here you can see there's this you can lift to make it fold forward. Same with this side. And then to pull it back, this strap's here just to make it easier to reach. But once it's all the way back here, it'll lock back in place. And we'll pull this trunk back down. And for these front seats, they're controlled with an electronic system, so as long as you've got a little power to your car, pushing this backwards makes the whole seat slide backwards. Pushing it forward makes it slide forward. This controls the back, whether it's forward or back. So this will make it lean more forward. This will make it go backwards. And this is more like lumbar support, so it'll adjust like the firmness in the middle. And then we'll go to the passenger side to show you that one as well. So here again, we've got this electronic to make it go forward or back. And then this one, it's got a manual lever here. So if we lift this up, this will fold forward. And then typically with two hands, when you lift this forward or lift this up, you can push back on the seat to make it lock in back position. And when you release this lever and it lowers, it locks it in place. I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.